It is Thursday afternoon, January 19th, 2024, New Orleans, Louisiana. We just watched the Saint Charles Streetcar line streetcar built by Perley Thomas in the 1920s head on to Saint Charles Avenue, heading east through Uptown and heading to downtown New Orleans. This is the oldest continuously operating streetcar line in the world, commenced in 1835. In this direction it goes north for a mile or two, and right out we're looking west in the levee in the distance, and beyond the levee is the mighty Mississippi River, and ahead of the levee is the New Orleans Public Belt Railroad. And I had a New Orleans po' boy here for lunch, home of the original New Orleans Daiquiris restaurant. Again, Thursday afternoon, January 19th, 2024, New Orleans, Louisiana, over and out.